Hey there! Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's buzzing in the financial world. It's all about the surprising connection between oil prices, geopolitical tensions, and the crypto market. You might be wondering, what does oil have to do with Bitcoin and XRP? Well, according to market expert Sam Daodu, the recent rallies in these cryptocurrencies won't hold until oil prices take a significant dip. Imagine that. Oil, a traditional energy source, impacting the volatile world of crypto. Here's the deal. The ongoing conflict in the Middle East has sent oil prices soaring, and this has a ripple effect on the crypto market. Daodu argues that energy prices are the missing link between the chaos in the Middle East and the direction of crypto. When oil prices surge, it fuels inflation fears and keeps the Fed from cutting interest rates. And that's bad news for risk-on assets like Bitcoin and XRP. Personally, I find this connection intriguing. It's a reminder that the crypto market, despite its digital nature, is deeply intertwined with traditional economic factors. What many people don't realize is that crypto isn't immune to geopolitical events. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Digital asset markets are open 24/7, so they react to news and sentiment immediately, often before traditional markets even wake up. Now let's talk about the recent pullbacks in Bitcoin and XRP. These tokens have retraced from their highs, and Daodu attributes this to the same macro forces driving oil prices. When oil prices spike, it's like a double-edged sword. On one hand, it creates inflationary pressure, but more importantly, it ties the Fed's hands, preventing them from easing policy. And when the Fed isn't cutting rates, risk-on assets like crypto take a hit. This raises a deeper question. Why are crypto markets so sensitive to geopolitical shocks? Well, it's not just the 24/7 liquidity that Daodu mentions. It's also the nature of the crypto market itself. Crypto is still seen as a high-risk asset, so when uncertainty looms, investors tend to rotate away from it. It's like a game of musical chairs, and crypto is often left without a seat. But here's the silver lining. Despite the headwinds, Daodu points out some constructive technical patterns. Bitcoin has been forming higher lows during sell-offs, indicating that buyers are ready to pounce. And XRP has shown resilience, maintaining a holding zone even when rallies falter. These are signs of underlying strength. The key takeaway, according to Daodu, is that oil is the wild card in this game. If oil prices retreat towards the $80 to $85 range, it could unlock lasting gains for Bitcoin and XRP. A ceasefire or diplomatic progress could ease inflation fears and give the Fed room to consider rate cuts. And that's when crypto might shine again. On the flip side, if oil prices remain high, it's like a constant headwind for crypto. Every positive development will be countered by the same old inflation and rates dynamic. It's a delicate balance, and the market is waiting for that crucial oil price drop. What I find interesting is that Daodu also highlights some bullish fundamentals that have been overshadowed by the conflict. The SEC's treatment of Bitcoin as a commodity, inflows into XRP ETFs, and progress on the Clarity Act are all positive factors. These catalysts are like hidden gems waiting to be rediscovered once the oil-driven storm passes. In my opinion, this situation underscores the complex relationship between traditional markets and crypto. It's a reminder that crypto isn't an isolated bubble. It's part of a larger financial ecosystem. And while it's exciting to see crypto's potential, we can't ignore the impact of global events. So keep an eye on those oil prices, folks. They might just be the key to unlocking the next crypto rally.